Internal PC communication failing because of the Appraiser module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe engineered fix. This DLL file is the core library for the Windows Compatibility Appraiser. It scans system hardware and software to determine compatibility with specific Windows updates or new versions of the OS. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc or trace scan now to restore core system components, including the Appraiser module DLL. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Appraiser module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Keep in mind that the Appraiser module DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to the Appraiser module. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time Windows Update encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.